Good morning. Happy Monday. Welcome to week 8 of online learning. This week you guys are going to be taking a look at World War II.
Over here.
You're right here, I know. So you have 4 lessons and a web quest. Those are all laid out for you in the folder for this week. I did want to say thank you to everybody that sent me their rough draft. Several of you sent those in. I'd like to get a few more turned in. So if you're still working on your rough draft, please send it to me as soon as possible so I can give you feedback. I did want to say that I am so disappointed that we won't be back together this semester. I was really enjoying your class, and we were having a great semester, I thought. Definitely better than my last semester, but, you know, it is what it is. Thank you to everybody getting the work turned in. Don't forget, the more work you turn in, the higher your grade's going to be, okay? So if you have a low grade and you haven't been turning work in, you're going to keep that low grade, okay? So all assignments you turn in are going to help you, all right? Everything is still open. Everything from the last 8 weeks is still open to get stuff turned in. If you are having trouble getting the turn-ins to work, you can send it to me on email. You can share it with me. You can send it to me on Remind. There are multiple ways for you to get your work turned in. I would like to see some more participation this week. Our participation started off great and has steadily declined. There are about 8 of you out of 24 that regularly get their work turned in, which is awesome. Thank you so much. But I would like to see some more participation in the last couple of weeks. So if you have any issues, any questions, any problems, need assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Okay? Everybody have a great week. Today is a perfect day to stay in and get your work done. Okay? All right. I will talk to you guys soon. And have a great Monday. Bye.